Hello everyone! Well, instead of an actual sewing video this week, I have a small announcement. You may have seen banners and mentions on different social media about CoCoVid. Because Costume College has been postponed until next year, the costumers of YouTube have come together to create a weekend of costuming content. There's going to be a lot of tutorials and panels and live events, plus there's going to also be a costuming red carpet on Instagram, so you can get the Costume College experience in your own home. So this is my official announcement. I am going to be participating in CoCoVid. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to turn modern pumps into 18th century latchet shoes. You may have seen the tutorial I actually have posted on my old blog on how I did this for the blue pair of 18th century shoes that I have, but the video tutorial I hope is going to be a little bit more in-depth with step-by-step instructions, so I'm really excited on bringing that to you guys. There's also going to be a badge collection game similar to the ribbon collection game that happens at Costume College, where you can use the QR code provided by each individual CoCoVid participant and you can collect the badges in an app. So there will be a QR code to collect the badge for the latchet shoe tutorial. Costumer's Guide on Instagram is going to have a full list of the participants and their videos, and it's a huge schedule of events there. I think at this particular moment there are 95 scheduled videos, and that is enormous. This is going to be an amazing weekend of costume videos, and I'm really excited to be a part of this. So keep your eye out on Costume Guide. I will link them below in the description if you're not familiar with them already. And I hope that I will see you on my channel during CoCoVid and that you enjoy the tutorial for the shoes. Until then, please subscribe if you're interested in my sewing adventures and more costume content and eventually costume events once they start up again. And until then, I will see you next time. Bye!